I'm William Devane, and I buy my gold at Roslyn Capital. No, I don't. So, it's supposed to rain, and I covered up the back in plastic, a shower curtain, because it leaks back here, and as you can see, our clothes are all here. So I magnetized the top here, covered up the clothes that we have in the back, so nothing gets leaked on for right now. This is a temporary solution to a temporary problem. But right now I'm at the UPS spot. I have a painting to deliver, so I'm going to wrap it up and I'm going to put some hardware on it.